So hey fellas, GS here and welcome to episode 2 of my Filmora tutorial series. And in this series we started with how to download the Filmora, and if you are interested in learning Filmora, I will be helping you so much. So in this episode 2 I'm going to say you the basic interface of the Filmora, and don't take it as the whole because I'm going to say only the basics because it is a big software. It is not so simple to say all of them in a single episode. So we'll start it. Okay, so this is the viewport of the Filmora 9, and here we can import the media. Of course, I said in 2 episodes, I think so, last. Okay, we are going to go a little deeper today. So this is the preview where you can preview your video, your total output. It's not recommended to the total output, it's just a preview. So here where's the timeline, we'll be doing the most of the work over here. So these are the basic tabs and important tabs where we can go into the different things. So let's get into a single tab. Okay, now media is a place where we can import the projects. I mean, not projects, we can import the media over here: songs, mp3, audios, and wait, those three are same, right? Oh my god. See. Okay, wait a minute. So we can import the media here, like mp4, mp3, and pictures and whatever you have. So we can import directly if you have in your files, and if you don't have, you can import through the camera. You can plug in the USB and media into your phone, and you can do like that. And also the Facebook, Instagram, Flickr, there's so many options. So we just try it once. And okay, and there's a record option also. We can record our webcam, I mean the camera, and also the screen display, and also the voice. And also you have the project media, and this depends only on a particular project. And this is the untitled project. So if I import any media in this project, it will be staying only in this project. And the folder, this is used as a multiple project. So if you import a particular data in it, you can open anywhere in the Filmora this media. Okay, so we have sample colors over here. We can drag it and black doesn't use it, right? Okay, my bad. So we can just drag it, and sample colors here, and we have also have sample videos. So I'll show you. So these are sample videos, and this is the preview we can see over here. So we do have this both over here, and this is about, we can also download these, but I don't recommend to use this because the CC can be striked using this. So I don't recommend using this, just for sample. Okay, this is about the media. Let's go to audio now. Okay, now we are in audio. We have tons of audios over here, and it is categorized in a different manner, like rock music, folk, and electronic. And it is we can download it, and we can also use it. Just a minute, I'll download. Okay, these are just for background purposes, but you can't take it as a whole purpose, and you can post the video on this, because this may compulsorily strike, it can strike the CC. See, these are the basic sounds. Okay, let's stop it. And we can also import our own music from media, and these are the basic musics, and so many musics are there we can use, but only as a background music, but not as a main music. They will strike the CC, of course. So this is about the audio. So simple, right? Okay, let's go into tiles. Okay, there we go, tiles. So this is one of the coolest thing in Filmora. There are so many tons and tons of tiles over here. You can just drag it, and I didn't add any background, so let's add a sample background. Okay, there we go, a background. So this is sample background. You can add your video, it is compatible for video also. So we can actually rename these by here, but this is also a big thing, so I'll tell you in the text. I will make a video on that. So we can actually rename these and we can add animations also to this, and there are so many things. If you don't like these defaults, you can also do it from the film stocks. I mean, you can download from there. So it is a little bit complicated because this is a cracked software. You have to use it carefully. I already said you. So downloading from the film stacks is little complicated. They will ask the account details and all. So if you guys are seriously interested in this and you want that, I mean, these things like, see this, I'll show you these things, and I have so many apps. So I downloaded this. Okay, these are not that. Okay, I downloaded these from film stocks. So if you guys are interested, I will directly give the, it's not big, but I don't have much storage in Mediafire. So if you guys interested on this, I will definitely give you. So just comment me you want these or not. So I'll keep in the Mediafire and give you the link. Okay, let's get into the topic. These are tiles and there are so many tiles. Okay, these are my tiles. Okay, I'll show you default tiles. And they are openers also. These are default openers. I didn't download anything from here. We can also use these are very nice actually. We can get free animation. It's not animation, but we can use these guys. So this is so cool. Yes, see this is OP guys. This is OP. We can actually change our name. So let's keep it like that. And openers we have, tiles we have in the middle of the video, and we also have third rays like what is it, lower third, three there's, oh okay, whatever you have. We can add it in the middle of the video in the down left part. See, we can add it over here, and the subtitles and the end screens, and this is the media I have. So these are my personal things. If you want, it's not personal actually. I downloaded it from Filmstack. These are free only. So, but if you guys want, just comment me you want or not, and I will definitely give you on the media file, and you can download it from there. Okay, guys. Now we are in transitions. So these are the things we can do it from video to video. This it will come very smoothly. See, if we do it like this, it's suddenly black and it's not good look, right? So if we just add it over here, and it will fade in. Yay, see that? It's good, right? So these are transitions. We have so many transitions over here, and we have transitions, and ripple, dissolve, sleep, blur, wrap, lifestyle, and slideshows. So these are the coolest things. We can use it in small parts also. These are the my transitions. I have downloaded it. So I'll show you one. You see the leaves, these are nice. So just comment me if you want these. I'll just keep in the media file. So okay, let's get into the topic. Okay, keep saying that. Okay, and these are the transitions. We can use it in every single part of a video. These are very useful, and I'll go deeper in the transitions episode. So next here we come effects. Effects are things which we can actually do in the middle of the video, like bordering, and we can see this, the border will come, and also the face of, okay, we don't have a face now, but if any face is there it will blur automatically. So these are the effect. There's nothing more to say about it, but they are like interesting, but we have to use this. I mean, defaults are very less, so we have to download it more. And yes, comment me. Okay guys, now we are elements. So these things are really cooler. So we'll just, okay, wait a minute. And these are the default elements. Why are keeping in transitions? Okay, wait, these are the elements, and these are the coolest things guys. This is OP because we can just put it in middle of a video, and this looks the amazing guys. See, so there's so many types of we can do it actually without these. I mean, the default shapes, and we have here so many categories according to it: love, journey, shapes, hand-drawn, bandages, tutorials. Oh, this is about me. Okay, leave it. Web, pets, emojis. and favorites. I don't have any favorites, so these are my downloaded ones. Okay, let's go to another one. This is Split, and this is the latest thing which is added in Filmora 9, and we can just split our screen into two, and we can just see this. We can just make the two parts of our screen, and there's nothing about to say about this much. So this is about the tabs. This is the thing which we discussed in this episode, and of course this is just a basic interface of the Filmora. And if you just like it and give the thumbs up button, and also if you are interested in more learning videos of Filmora, I will give you all the tutorials about the Filmora and go deeper into each part of the Filmora. And also I'll be giving you the best tips and tricks which we can use in the Filmora, because I have little more experience in Filmora. So not only Filmora, I'm going to start another tutorial series this weekend. So if you are interested in like like if you're a YouTuber or a growing YouTuber, and not only YouTubers, editing persons, it's a I can give you the more tips and tricks, and more like this is editing only. So next time we'll be giving the Canva, which is used for popular thumbnails, and those this is that is a simple software, but we can use it much more. So I'll be giving that next thing, and that's it, guys. So for this episode, we will end this episode over here, and yep, subscribe, subscribe, man, subscribe. So I'm giving this much a lot of information to you. Please consider subscribing, right? That is the only thing which you can give me. So yes, consider subscribing and give the thumbs up button. I will be giving more tutorials for you. So thank you, guys. I will meet you in the next episode. Until then, bye bye.